Hey guys, welcome back. We're finishing up section 2.6 today, which is about dividing real numbers. We're looking at the review for mastery and challenge practice problems today. So 1 through 4, find the multiplicative inverse of the number. And 5 over 7, it would be 7 over 5. The multiplicative inverse of 5.7 is 7 over 5. Number 2, minus 8, that's the same as minus 8 over 1. And its multiplicative inverse would be minus 1 over 8. For number 3, we have minus 11 over 14. So the multiplicative inverse would be minus 14 over 11. And for number 4, we have 1, or that's the same as 1 over 1. So its multiplicative inverse would be the same thing, 1 over 1, or just 1. Okay. Next. 5, 6, and 7, find the quotient. We have 27 divided by minus 3. So that would be 27 times, this is minus 3 over 1. So this would be minus 1 over 3. Plus times minus is minus. 27 and 3 cancel out by 3. So we have 9 here, because 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 1 is 9. So minus 9 is the answer here. Okay. Number 6, 3 over 8 times minus 4 over 7. Because when you have A divided by B, it's the same thing as A times the multiplicative inverse of B, which is 1 over B. So that's what we're doing here. So plus times minus is minus. 4 and 8 cancel out by 4. 1 here, 2 here. So 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 7 is 14. So minus 3 over 14. Here we have minus 2 over 5 times, this is minus 3 over 1, so we're going to have minus 1 over 3. Minus times minus is plus, 2 times 1 is 2, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 over 15. Simplify the expression. Next is find the quotient. So here, this is the same thing as 7x minus 28 in parentheses divided by 14, or the same thing as 7x minus 28 times, this is 14 over 1, so this would be times 1 over 14. Or this is the same thing as applying the distributive property, 7x times 1 over 14 and minus 28 times 1 over 14. So 7 and 14 cancel out by 7, 1 and 2 here. So x over 2, or 1/2 x. And then minus 28 and 14 cancel out by 14, 1 and 2 here. So minus 2. So 1/2 x minus 2 is what we get. And you can do that clearly here. 7 over 14, that's 1, cancel out by 7, 1 over 2. So it's 1 over 2x. And then minus 28 over 14, that's minus 28 divided by 14 is 2. So that's the same thing. Okay, next, number 9. So you have minus 20x plus 15 divided by 5. That's the same thing as minus 20x plus 15 times, this is 5 over 1, this is 1 over 5. And now the distributive property, minus 20x times 1 over 5 plus 15 times 1 over 5. 20 and 5 cancel out by 5, 1 and 4 here. So minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4x. So minus 4x plus 15 and 5 cancel out by 5, 1 and 3 here. 3 times 1 is 3. So minus 4x plus 3. And we can do it here. Minus 20 over 5 is minus 20 divided by 5 is 4, 4x. And then 15 divided by 5 is 3, so plus 3. And that's what we got here. And number 10, minus 12x minus 21 divided by minus 6. Or that's the same thing as minus 12x minus 21 times, this is over 1, so this is minus 1 over 6. And now the distributive property, so minus 12x times minus 1 over 6, minus 21 times minus 1 over 6. 12 and 6 cancel out by 6, 1 and 2 here. So minus and minus is plus. 2 times 1 is 2. So 2x. And then minus times minus is plus 21 over 6. Now 21 over 6, this cancels out by 3. If we cancel out by 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So this is the same thing as 2x plus 7 over 2. And if we do it the quicker way, minus divided by minus is plus, 12 divided by 6 is 2x, and then minus divided by minus is plus, 21 divided by 6, 21 divided by 6, that's what we got here. And then 21 and 6 cancel out by 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So this is 2x plus 7 over 2. That's the same as what we got here. Next, challenge practice problems. In exercises 1 through 4, find the multiplicative inverse. So y over x, this would be y over x. For number 2, we know that x plus y is the same as x plus y over 1. So the multiplicative inverse would be 1 over x plus 1, x plus y. To note here that x cannot be 0, right? Otherwise, we'll get undefined. We can't divide by 0. So we just have to know that x cannot be 0. In number 2, x plus y cannot be 0. So basically, x and y cannot be opposites. So you can have 5 and negative 5 because you're going to get 0. So they cannot be opposites. Also, they cannot be both 0 at the same time. Number 3, the multiplicative inverse would be, these would switch places, x minus 3 over y plus x, and the same thing here as here, x plus y or y plus x cannot equal to 0, so they cannot be opposites or both equal to 0 at the same time. Number 4, well, let's get the greatest common denominator, which is y. So we multiply the numerator, this is a over 1. So to get y, we multiplied 1 by y. Well, if you multiply the denominator by y, you have to multiply the numerator by y as well. So this is ay. This is here x over 1. To get y in the denominator, we multiplied 1 by y. So we have to multiply x by y. So this is plus xy. And this is already over y, so just minus b here. So this here is the same thing as this. Now, what is the multiplicative inverse of this? Well, it's y over ay plus xy minus b. So that's the answer. So this is the answer here. And then this guy cannot be 0, right? So ay plus xy minus b cannot equal to 0. In exercises 5 and 6, find the quotient. Okay, so number 5, we have xy times y over x, right? This is the same as, if you think of this as a divided by this is b, is the same as a times 1 over b. That's what we're doing here. So x and x cancel out. So you just end up with y times y, or that's y squared. Number 6, we have x times y plus z. And now instead of division, we're going to have multiplication. Then we're going to have the multiplicative inverse of this guy here, which is, this is over 1. So this is going to be 1 over x a plus b. Now x and x cancel out. So you just end up with y plus z times 1, or that's y plus z over a plus b. Okay. Number 7, find the mean. We have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3 numbers. We're adding them up and then divided by 3 because we have 3 numbers. So it's x plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 3. Plus 1 and minus 1 cancel out. 1, 2, 3, 3x's. So 3x over 3. 3 and 3 cancel out, so just x. Number 8, find the mean of 10 times x plus 1 plus 10x plus 10x x minus 1. 1, 2, 3 numbers over 3. So 10 times x is 10x. Applying the distributive property, 10 times plus 1 is plus 10, plus 10x, plus 10 times x is plus 10x, plus 10 times minus 1 is minus 10. Minus 10 over 3. Plus 10 and minus 10 cancel out. We end up with 10x, 10x, 10x. So 30x. 30x over 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So 10x is the answer for number 8. So number 9 says, based on your answers for exercises 7 and 8, find the mean of these 3 numbers here. So we're going to have a times x plus 1 plus ax plus a times x minus 1. We have 3 numbers to divide by 3. So a times x is ax, a times 1 is plus a, plus ax, plus a times x is plus ax, plus a times minus 1 is minus a over 3. Plus a and minus a cancel out. Ax, 3ax over 3. 3 and 3 cancel out, so we just end up with ax. That's number 9. And number 10, find the value of x so that the mean of this, and this is 12. So we have, let's do it here. So x plus 3, this is number 10. X plus 3 plus x plus 6 over 3 numbers. The mean is 12. Find x. So x plus x is 3x. 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 9 over 3 equals 12. Or 3x plus 9 equals 12. 3 divides on this side, it's going to multiply on the other side. So 3x plus 9 equals 36. 12 times 3 is 36. And then just 3x equals 36. Plus 9 on the other side of the equal sign will be minus 9. So 3x equals 36 minus 9 is 27. Or just x equals 27 divided by 3, or that's 9. 27 divided by 3, or that's 9. So x is 9. That's number 10. And number 11. Suppose the mean on 3 100-point exams is 82. What would the score on the next 100-point exam have to be so that the mean score on all 4 exams is 84? Okay, so we have 3 exams and the mean is 82 on the first 3. Now, what should the 4th one be so that the mean for the 4 is 84? Okay, so 3 times 82 is 246 plus x equals 84 times 4. Right? 4 divides here. It's going to multiply on the other side. So 246 plus x equals 4 times 4 is 16. 6 and 1. 4 times 8 is 32 and 1 33. And just x will be 336 minus 246, or that's 90. So the score on the next 100-point exam should be 90, so that the mean score on all 4 is 84. So that's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.